Hi guys, I'm Len, and you're watching Made in Basement. Today we're going to upgrade my MakerGear M2 printer. I just received this Buildtak Flexplate system. So this is basically magnetic system, very similar to what Prusa Mark III does. Basically you attach the base with magnets here, and then there is a flexible spring steel base that goes on top of that. So it's used for easier removal of the 3D prints. So let's do this. First of all, let me show you my MakerGear M2. This is awesome printer, not sponsored. I have 3 of these. They are great workhorses, very well built, can handle a bunch of materials, and yeah, I'm pretty much happy with them so far. The only thing I don't like is the glass plate that it came with. So I've tried different stuff. I tried the PI sheet on top of the glass, which works fine, but it's kind of difficult to remove PTG parts from it. Also I tried the Mic 6, I think it's 1/4 inch aluminum plate, which also works very well, but it's very heavy, so kind of you have to print slower because of that. So I wanted to try something else, and I got this Buildtak. I also own Prusa Mark II, which I recently upgraded to my Mark 2.5, and it just, I love it. It's very good upgrade. I love the magnetic plate. It's just so much easier to remove prints. You basically just take it off, bend the sheet, and it just pops off. So without further ado, let's open the package and see what's inside. Got it in next day after I ordered it, which was surprising. So this cost me about $100 plus shipping, which was $6. It was $90 for plate system. Okay, and it comes with a Buildtak surface, so nothing fancy here. So it comes in a package like this. We have a sticker. We have an instruction with easy installations. So there's 5 steps. Looks pretty easy. Looks like you just glue it to the thing. Kind of scared to glue it directly to the print bed, but I don't want to add another layer of glass or anything like this. And in worst case, I can probably remove it, and if not, these heat beds, they're not that expensive. This is the Buildtak sheet. This is the flex plate. And this is the actual base. Okay. Right here. Here's the sticker. Here's the bag with magnets. Bed here. I'm also going to use a piece of foam under the bed so it's straight. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, let's first clean the bed with some alcohol. Sticker. Yeah, this is sticky. The only thing is kind of awkward to lift it. I mean, there's no tabs or anything. I should have thought of that. I should have like added tab here or something. It's okay, I think you can do it like on the corner here. Alright, all done. Let's see how it works. Let's print something. Okay, we're now level. Let's see, bring the temperature up to speed. I'm going to print XYZ cube. Flashlight so you can see. Okay, we just finished printing. Let's see. It's still pretty hot, so I'll wait till it cools down a little bit. Okay, so print is done. Right here. Let's see if I can remove it now. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I was able to remove it. Wow, the finish is, I don't know if you can see this, it's really nice. Wow, never seen anything like this. Okay, not bad. Gonna scrape the remaining part. Oh, it comes off easy. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. I'm happy with this. So I'll be printing more. Thanks for watching. Leave me comments if you have any questions. Like video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.